For this week's presentation, I used a combination of PowerPoint and Google Slides to create the actual slides since I was working on a couple of different computers, and then I uploaded them to Voicethread. I decided to use Voicethread because I don't like to put a lot of content into my slides. I would rather talk about it and then have like a couple words in between. And Voicethread makes it pretty easy to add audio. You just click the plus and then click the microphone and you can record and re-record to your heart's content. And believe me, there was a lot of re-recording. Finding images was pretty easy for me. I just went to images and then you search something like cat. And then you'll go to settings and advanced search. And what I like to do is go to the usage rights and just do free to use, share, or modify, even commercially, because it's like top security. And then I can go through and find a free cat, which you can find in a few different places. I like to use Pixabay because I know them from my eCampus days and they're pretty good. But there are a lot of free stock image sites out there. Like, this is a beautiful cat. Who wouldn't want this cat? Anyway, other than that, Wikimedia Commons is pretty good. We'll go check that out real quickly. Still in images, of course. Anyway, so you click on the link, and then you can find the attribution by going to use this file, and then the attribution is right here, and it has who uploaded it, and the type of CC, and all that good information. So I used that a lot. And yeah, it was pretty simple to find the images. I did this a lot at eCampus, so I feel like I probably had a little bit of a head start, but yeah, I did all right.